how it will become so easy. Then they meet your this video, and I will show some slides. Please follow the slides also. But slides will not provide that much information. Okay, but what I explain, please hear thoroughly, and they analyze it. These slides only give the hints. Okay, that hints will not sufficient. But when you are could not hear my lecture, and that slides is not sufficient. Okay, slides matter is not sufficient. Okay, बुझ्यो. मैले जति म एक्सप्लेन गर्छु, मैले दिएको स्लाइड्सबाट चाहिँ के भने सम्पूर्ण रूपमा त्यसबाट आउँदैन. त्यो ओन्ली 20% मात्रै आउँछ. र मैले जुन एक्सप्लेन गरेको हुन्छु, मैले एक्सप्लेन गरेको मध्ये चाहिँ तिमीहरूले मात्रै 25% चाहिँ बुझ्यौ भनेदेखि त्यो स्लाइड्स लिएको र मैले दिएको 25% ले तिमीहरूलाई 80% हुन्छ. द्याट विल बी इनफ. ओके, now can I start the slides?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
I am
sir.
going to show some slides. Okay. Okay. First of all, today's topic is social science. Okay. Social science. In social science, there are three subjects: anthropology, sociology, and psychology. Anthropology, sociology, and psychology. These are the social sciences. It includes more two science, economics and political science. Hearing you are hearing?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes, sir.
getting sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, some confusing matter is there. These three science, sociology, anthropology, and psychology, is called behavior science. Sociology, anthropology, and psychology is called behavior science. If you pronounce the behavior science, these three sciences are covered. Okay? If you pronounce the behavior science, these three sciences are covered. Then the social science includes more two subjects: political science and economics. Now you can say how many behavior science are there? What types of behavior science? Behavior science means art, sociology, and anthropology and psychology. And what are the social science again? Now you can say social science are behavior science, political science, and economics. Did you understand? Or confusion? Hello? Prajwal?
हजुर सर. सर फेरि भनिदिनु न.
There are three types of behavior science. Okay? And if you include sociology, anthropology, and psychology in social science, political science, and economics, it becomes 5. Social science are 5. Okay? If you say behavior science, For this sociology, anthropology, and psychology, it are three: behavior science, political science, and economics. These are the social science. Three. Behavior science includes three subjects. Okay? And the political science, economics, and behavior science are social sciences. Okay? Sociology, anthropology, and psychology are the behavior sciences. थोरै कन्फ्युजन छ यसमा, तिमीहरुले क्लियर भयो भने, एकचोटी क्लियर भयो भने it will be enough forever. Okay. Kinata, why this social science includes this behavior science also important in this medical field? Why it is necessary to study? What are the types of anthropology? What are the types of sociology? What are the types of psychology? Importance of the sociology, importance of the anthropology, and importance of the psychology in health. Same importance of the economics in health and importance of the political science in health. These subjects are studied in these slides. Okay. Why it is necessary for the medical field? Any one of you, can you explain? I will help you. I'm here. Sunil.
Sir.
Hello. Can you explain something?
About what, sir?
About the why, in your think, why this social science is important in health? Your view. I want to know your view. Before giving the some clue.
It may help to talk with the patients or deal with the disease in the time of the epidemics.
Okay. Now see, this is the platform. Sociology, psychology, anthropology, and these other social sciences. These are the platforms for the health. Without this platform, the health service cannot be exist. Where to practice? Whom to give the service? These are the platform. These social science is the platform for health. Okay, without the person whom to treat, is it? Without a relationship with the other person, how to treat? Okay, without materials, what to give? Is it? Without feelings, how to share? How to accept? Without feeling. There is no any feelings in health, but these feelings come through the social sciences. That's why it is called the field of medical science. Without it, medical science, there is nowhere else. Each चीजहरु भन्दा बाहिर गयो भने there is no medical science. For the support of this social science, medical science is existing. Like I am going to tell something about the anthropology. Okay, anthropology is a study of physical, social, and cultural history of man. It means study of physical. Physical means structure of the body. Okay, structure of the head, structure of the neck, structure of the other parts of the body. Okay. Then the social. Social means how these organs of the body, relate to other organs. It means social. What relationship with the blood and heart, relationship with the mind and body, relationship with the other organs of the body. Okay. And cultural history of the man. Then the culture, how the history man, how our ancestor practice it for people, how they perceive, what is the sign and symptoms, how was the life expectancy at the ancestors period, how was the ancestor period's life expectancy. Now our life expectancy is 70 or 72 in Nepali context. Okay, but how was the life expectancy that one? That is the history of the man. What types of man was there? What was his height, their heights, weights, and their activities? That's why history of the man can be studied in this anthropology, cultural anthropology, and what types of culture they practice, what they hand over to us, and what they could not. Now, what is the clue? What is the proof we have? The anthropology always beyond of the cultural anthropology. Okay, all the anthropological, there will be symbol. Like a symbol means black hair, white hair, red hair, long nose, okay, flat mouth, okay, slope mouth, okay, some of have a beard, some of have a no beard, okay, some of have the different types of different types of organs. Like everybody have the people have the one, but in hands and legs there are 20 fingers. Okay, but we can see the 22 fingers and 18 fingers also. Okay, but we know the regular is the 20 fingers. We have 10 fingers in your hand, 2 hands. Okay, in one hand there is 5 fingers. Okay, this is the instruction. Okay, then some people have the 4 fingers and some people have the 6 fingers also. How this mutate to 1 to each? Euta banda farak kasari bhayo? Okay, these things are studied in anthropology. Okay, the types of anthropology: physical anthropology. Okay, you are hearing me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Physical
Yes, sir.
anthropology. Physical means our body. Seen, visible, countable. Physical anthropology. Then I told you the seeing the skeleton of the previous or ancestors, seeing the any types of bones, we can assume this person was like this. This seeing the some skeleton, we can separate this skeleton is it is a female skeleton, it is a male skeleton. We can say that according to structure, means with what we have provided to our history of man. So whatever history of man we have studied, that's why we can separate it. Physical anthropology, it is visible, countable, then we can measure also. Okay, and this measure, we can measure this how old was it, how it's a period, what was the clue at that time, seeing that symbols or anything else, we can find the next mystery, of that place where what we till date not found any, but the person, the new one person can found the new mystery of that, seeing that particular symbols. Okay, social anthropology. Then the social anthropology means how it, how as a this a civilization form, how as the peoples react to each other. Okay, how they react each other, how they exist in the group, how they separate from the groups. Okay, social means how they exist in the group and how they separate in the group. Okay, what they are, how to accept their marital parts. Okay, accepting the different genders. Okay, how they accepted, and wow, what is the condition today. Okay, we study the social anthropology like these types. Okay, cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology at that time, what way they were on, what they ate, what how they choose the foods. Okay, how they means exist, what was their habitats, how they passed their lives. Okay, this comes under the cultural anthropology. Now here, medical anthropology. Okay, medical anthropology. At that time, people were not sick. At that time, people were not ill. At that time, people were not suffer from the different types of deformity.
Yes, sir.
And, okay, any kinds of deformity, how they treated, what was the cause of deformity, how they died. Okay, how they died, seeing the symbols in the skeleton. It is cut, it is break, okay, it is a like a collapse of the bones. Okay, what types of skeleton shows the this fossil shows that fossils can be studied. Skeleton which is kept in the lab, but they whatever we found in the ancestor man, so that is fossils. Okay, that fossils can be studied, and how they how what was their life, how much they exist life, and how they pass or how they died. Seeing that fossils, we can observe, we can measure, and we can find the clue of that persons. That's why it will comes under the medical anthropology. Okay. One thing, linguistic anthropology. Linguistic anthropology. See how they communicate to each other. How they, and in anthropology, it is also important how they communicated to each other. How they find the or recognize the persons. What is the clue to recognize their family member? What was the clue to find out that the enemy? And how to know the enemy and the supporter. Okay, friends, how to make the friends. Okay, how to exist with relating to each other and saying something else. When you visit to the new area, okay, now I will give one hint. You are supposed to be in this time in community diagnosis project. When you visit to the community people could not understand your language. Nepali, English, Hindi, okay, whatever the language you know, but they could not understand. But you have to talk. What to do? What to do? At that time, you will feel difficult. That is the difficult moment. Because they could not, they will communicate, you cannot understand. You communicate, they could not understand. Then what will happen? There is no any communication. One should know the other's communicating way. That's why at that time, there is no alternative, no option. There is no any mediator, no there is intervener. At that time, then symbolic language, linguistic anthropology, symbolic language. Then you can ask the showing the goods or the symbol. That symbol's name is come in both. One people, one language, the symbol is same, but the saying is different. That comes under the linguistic. How many languages are in world today? It is very difficult to say. But the major languages, some international languages are counted. Okay, in Nepal, India, or in the old now the international languages, language is English. That's why whatever we understand, it does not need any languages to understand. Does not need any languages to understand, but the keeping relationship or exploring that understanding, it needs language. Without language, you cannot express. That expression should be understood by others. That's why language is the important. Language should be acceptable. Language should be clear. Okay, that's why the person can communicate to each other. Okay, Prajol. Hello, Prajol.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are hearing me?
Yes, sir.
And for this slides, what type can explain the types of anthropology? Maybe the MCQ. Okay, types of anthropology. Okay, then I will explain what I explained before, social sciences. Okay, behavior sciences. Okay, what are the behavior sciences? Okay, or which is not the behavior sciences? There are 4 options. Okay, sociology, anthropology, psychology, and there are other options is political science. Then the question is, what is not the behavior sciences? For this one, 4 numbers. Social sciences, what is not the behavior sciences? Sociology, anthropology, social psychology, and political science. Which is not the behavior sciences? Any answer? Any of you?
Political science, sir.
Oh, yes. Political science is not the behavior
Political
science.
science.
Okay. Okay. Now again, what are the types of social sciences existing? What types of social sciences are existing? 3 types, 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types.
3 types.
3 types.
Now I am saying the social sciences.
5 types.
5 types. 5 types. Okay, 5 types. Okay. Now again, how many types of social behavior sciences are exist?
3, sir.
3 types. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now I change the slides. Okay. Okay. Physical anthropology. Okay. Now you are here. physical anthropology. Physical means biological. Okay. Physical anthropology, biological anthropology, human evolution, racial differences, inheritance of body, traits, growth and decay. Human evolution. When was the human form? How it forms? It is a evolution or created by gods. Evolution means, first of all, it was like a amoeba, like a eggs of the fish, like any this what to tell the say the this sea, like sea animals. Okay, sea animals which lives in the water. Then when it comes on the to the earth, okay, how it becomes amphibian. Okay, then from there, this evolution up to here is a human evolution. Racial differences. How it is? Why it is different? Some are tall, some are very short, some are black, some are red, some are white, and some are this wheat color. Okay, different colors. Okay, then the how it transferred to one generation to other generation. This kinds of this quality, this kinds of physical appearances, how it transferred to others, generation to generation. Okay, then the why this inheritance to one to each other generation. Okay, then the bodily traits. Then the bodily traits means bow of the body, and the like this any types of cultures, traits. Okay, traits means these types of saying to each other, relating to us, or communicating to each other. And the growth is why growth male for separate, and why the growth of our female is separate. Why the male stop one period to other period. Okay, then okay, what types of organs are decaying from our body? Okay, why at what time we can, or locomotion there, how we state with two feet. Okay, and then how many decay, how many this epic we Spain in the only locomotion, not walking two hands, but we use four hands, four legs, and two hands and two legs. Our locomotion was that. Okay, that is the growth. Okay, and now how we stand in two feet, and what impressed the men to stand in two feet. Okay, what was the in behind that studied? Okay, and what types of organs are decayed? What types of organs are existing in our body? What are decaying in our body? Can you say some organs of the decaying from our human body? Anyone? Anyone of you?
Good, sir.
Okay, tail.
Tail.
Tail is decaying, not completely decayed, but decaying. Still, there is a symbol of a tails. Now you can we have what molars. Okay, there was very big types of molars. Now our molars became very small. At that time, we have to chew it. The human should chewing the very strong bones, strong meats, and they fights with each other. At that time, that molar teeth were like canal teeth. Okay, still some symbols are seen in our human mouth like a canal teeth. Canal teeth are also decaying because now the habits, they vary from the thousands of years. people are not depending on only meats. Okay, that's why other things, foods that they consume, their few meats are consumed. They should not hunt other animals. They have a food stuff they keep. That's why some of these teeth are also decaying. And the other parts of the body, like see our ear. Okay, the size of the ear of the Australopithecus, Homo erectus, what we studied in that time, their ear was very big. But now, if you see the short and the small or ear also. Okay, see the lips of the African people and see the lips of the Indo American and the Nepali in the Chinese. Okay, see the lips are also at that time that is, I think the persons' lips were also like African people. See the African people like Hapsi. If you compare with the one red Indian, one Nepali, one Indian, and the African people person in one place, and you can tally how it decayed and how it growth, and how it growth and how it decayed. That is also the clue. These things is studies in physical anthropology. Do you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Social anthropology. Social anthropology. Social anthropology is the study of development and various types of social life. Development, whatever development we are seeing, okay, this physical development, whatever development, like why we are talking with you are some of you and very far western part of the India, eastern part of the India, eastern part of the Nepal, eastern part, western part of the Nepal. Why we are this now talking? Where we are seeing this is the physical development. These physical developments are helping us. Okay, these are various types of social life. How we are communicating to each other. We are sharing the things. Okay, we are. You are also sharing something. This is a development, and with these types of that comes under the social anthropology. Okay, now the cultural anthropology. Okay, culture is I will start culture later. Okay, culture. Then the culture anthropology is the study of total way of life. Contemporary primitive man, his way of thinking, feeling, and action. Cultural anthropology is the study of the total way of life. What comes under the total way of life? Total way of life. Body, birth to death. Birth to death. The death cannot observe. Okay? Birth cannot realize. Death cannot observe. From the birth, when the realization phase start, and the up to death means before death. When the person can understand or before losing his sense, coming to sense, and before losing to sense, this is the total way of life. What the person do, their life way, okay, and the contemporary primitive man at that time means previous time, how they exist in their life. Okay, how was their thinking, how was their feeling, what was their action. Okay, now it should be studied in culture. What the culture showed. The culture showed their feeling, their action, and how was their thinking, how they kept relation to each other, how they vary one group to other group. This culture, some cultures gives the hints to us for understanding. Okay? Okay. Now the medical anthropology. Medical anthropology. This anthropology deals with the cultural component in ecology of health and disease. Cultural components in ecology of health and disease. Health and disease is separate. Disease is the deformity. Health is the completely without any deformity. Can you explain can you define the health? Can you define the health? Hello, Tina. Hello, Tina. Tina,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you define the health?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please.
Health is the complete state of physical, social, and mental well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity, according to WHO.
Okay. That is completely absence of infirmity. Okay. That is the health. And disease, can you actually define the disease?
The state of losing well-being or ease. Sorry.
Yes.
State of losing well-being ease from the normal state.
Okay. Very good. Okay. It comes the cultural component. Okay. That's why the medical anthropology is very, very important in this medical field. Without knowing the ecology, without knowing the component of the culture, the health service cannot be provided, cannot be accepted, and cannot be functional. Okay. Now the linguistic anthropology. Linguistic anthropology seeks to understand the process of human communication, verbal and not verbal, using some languages. Okay, that comes under the linguistic anthropology. Some symbols. There are multi types of languages, symbols, languages. Okay, we have we know the this Nepali and English, Indian are same letters, but Japanese are different, Chinese are different, some other Urdu is different. Okay, that's just some symbolic language. One symbol can show the it shows the other meaning in other languages, in different languages. Okay, that's why the language is the linguistic anthropology is there to communication for verbal and non-verbal communication. Okay, now anthropology is discipline with one foot in nature and natural science, and other foot is in social science. Anthropology is not the only single discipline. It is natural. It exists in the nature and exists in the social. Okay. These are the two fields. Without nature, we can't, the anthropology can't survive. Without social science, where to show, where to explain, where is the platform? That platform is social science. That's why anthropology exists. One foot in nature and next foot is in social science. Okay, social science, we our platform, our work, our activities, our thinking, reasoning, is the our social platform. Okay, natural science is the objective in its inspiration and the inspired by biological sciences. It is a natural science is the objectives. Okay, without it, the inspiration and no one will be inspired. That's why it inspired by biological sciences. Okay. Okay, this anthropology opens to more subjectively derived knowledge, attempts interpretation, and seek to elucidate meaning, important meaning. Okay, knowledge, where it comes, why we attempt different activities. The interpretation of the different activities, different knowledge. Okay, this elucidate the meaning for us. The natural law articulates is the study of human traditions of knowledge. It gives us the clue. It gives us the clue for what? We study the tradition of knowledge. Tradition of knowledge. Okay. Now the anthropology is now that's all. Okay. For that, the cultural parts will remain. I will explain the cultural parts in next lecture. Okay. Now the social psychology. Sociology, anthropology, and psychology are the behavior science. Political and economics are existed and it becomes the social science. Now the social psychology. Okay. In your language, can you explain the psychology, Prajol? In your understanding? Tina? In your language, in your what you understand or what you know, can you explain the psychology? Okay, Bhanu is expert in this one. Can you, Bhanu Pratap, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the psychology?
Sir, in my language.
Psychology.
So psychology is the subject which is dealing with human behavior.
Yeah.
And how the person's mentality works on different in different circumstances, how he behaves, and
yeah.
the way he thinks and his intelligence and also.
Okay. Okay. Now,
and the way he reacts to the situation.
Okay. Now the psychology. Psychology is to understand the others. Psychology is to understand the others. The person can understand the self by psychology. The persons can feels the same. Self-understanding. Self-understanding is the psychology, or self-understanding is not the psychology. Psychology. Whom to study psychology? Whom to study psychology? कसको psychology हेर्ने? कसको psychology बुझ्ने? Okay? Sunil?
हजुर सर
Whom to study psychology? Self
Yes,
or others?
others.
Others. To know the others. To know the others. Psychology is an exciting subject because it deals with human behavior. The behavior is measured by others, not the self. What you are, what the person is doing, no evaluation by self. It will evaluate by others. That's why to understand others. Okay, psychology is the understand the other person, to know the other person, to measure the other person, not the self. Okay, the science that studies mental process. Psychology means the science that studies the mental process which affect behavior of all living organisms. All living, not only the human. This psychology affects all living organisms. There is a psychology of the cloud, that is psychology of the animals, that's a psychology of this other types of parts. Okay, then the other, how the others understand, how the people men understand the crow, and the how what the crow understand the this men, women. Okay, how the human understand the animals, and the what the animals understand the human. But it is not studied more in this field, but in medical science to understand others. That if the doctors could not understand the patient's psychology, it is very difficult to give service or difficult for the treatment. Okay, that's why it is need to study in medical fields. The mental process which affect human behavior. Mental process which affect human behavior, there are thinking, reasoning, feeling, desiring, intelligence, motives, and emotions, etc. These are the human behaviors which should reflects by thinking, reflects by reasoning. Okay, then they reflects by feeling, and they reflects by desiring, reflects by their intelligence, what types of intelligence are there in person, their motives, emotions, etc. Okay, these are the behaviors to understand or to understand others, or to reflect. By this way, the person reflect their behavior for understand others. Okay. Okay. Psychology is vast in its scope, as numerous branches, is it normal and abnormal, educational, social, medical, and clinical. Though it is vast subjects, but these numbers some branches like normal and abnormal. How to find the normal, what is normal and what is abnormal. Okay. How to know, how to measure, how to explain normal and abnormal. Okay. Then the educational, social, and clinical. These are the psychology. Okay. These are the psychological branches. Medical psychology deals with the patients suffering from disorder of mind. Whatever psychology are there, but the medical psychology is the who are suffered from the disorder of mind, who are suffered discomfort of the mind, who are suffered social deformity. Social deformity is the one of the psychology. Okay, that is studied in medical psychology. Medical psychology, there are two types of medical psychology. One is clinical psychology, and it comes under the psychiatrist. Okay, and these are medical psychology. Okay, and social psychology. Medical psychology tells the only branch of the relation and understanding of the behavior in health, and social psychology is understand to other parts of the social world. It is studies in social world, social psychology. But we can relate the social psychology in medical psychology also. The psychiatrist should understand the social and medical psychology also. Clinical psychology is the psychiatrist and that they should understand the social psychology and the medical psychology also. Could you hear from me?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, this discipline is concerned with the psychology of individual living in the society. Psychology always is individual, not the groups. The individual makes the group. The understanding of the individual psychology, it can say the group psychology also. If you are sitting in 5% there, if you study 2% or 3% of mind, and we can say this is the group psychology. But there will be no group psychology, but the group's understanding is called the group psychology. The common understanding means group psychology. The emphasis is given on understanding and the basis of perception, thought, opinion, attitudes, general motivation, and learning in individual. How these vary in human societies and groups. How this means perception, thought, opinion, attitudes, general motivation, and learning. How it vary in human societies. Why one society can understand one way and other societies can understand other way. How the way of understanding, how it vary to each other, how it differs. Okay, that should be studies. It deals with the effect of social environment on person, their attitude and motivation. Social effect. With the effect of social environment. Social environment means the persons where he resides, what he do, what he is doing, and what is his activities, and these are what types of action and reactions are there. It is measured by others or by other groups. Okay, this comes under the social psychology. Okay. Okay, I think today's my slides are, this is last. Okay, I will show the other slides, other how the sociology parts is a social definition is the main. I will give in other class. Okay. Okay. Any
Thank you,
comments,
sir.
please? Any comments, please?